In the last video, we discussed about fundamental quantities and their units. In this video, we are going to discuss about derived quantities and their units. Along with that, we are going to discuss about a question from previous year IIT JEE paper. Let's start with derived quantities. What are these derived quantities? We already know that these derived quantities depend on fundamental quantities. 7 fundamental quantities. So I'll write those 7 fundamental quantities here and along with their SI units. Okay, these are the 7 fundamental quantities along with their units. Let's see few examples for derived quantities. First one is velocity or speed. We know the formula for speed, that is distance by time. Distance is a length by time. So the speed depend on length and time. Speed is a derived quantity depend on 2 fundamental quantities. Those are length and time. SI unit of speed is what's the SI unit of length? Meter, right? So meter by SI unit of time is second. We can also write this. We can also write like this: meter times second power minus 1, because 1 by s means s power minus 1. Second fundamental quantity, acceleration. What's the formula for acceleration? Velocity by time. We already know that velocity depends on length and time. Acceleration also depends on length and time. These 2 fundamental quantities. SI unit of acceleration is SI unit of velocity by SI unit of time. SI unit of velocity is meter times second inverse. SI unit of time is second, we know. This will become meter per second inverse times second inverse meter per second power minus 2. You can also write like this: meter per second square. Third fundamental quantity, force. What is the formula for force? Mass into acceleration. We already know acceleration depends on length and time. Force depends on mass, length and time. Force depends on length, mass and time. So it's a derived quantity. SI unit of force is, what is the SI unit of mass? Kg. Don't get confused with the meter, okay? Don't write M here for mass. SI unit of mass is kg. SI unit of acceleration is meter second power minus 2. If we combine these two, it will become kg meter second power minus 2. These are the few examples for derived quantities. Let's see an example. Let's see a previous year question from IIT JEE paper.